Here's how to install ESign on iOS. Install IPA Files on iPhone and iPad. First, what you need to do is go to the App Store of your iPhone and iPad and search for ESign application. And then afterwards, you will see there the ESign application. What you need to do is to press on that. After pressing on that, you will be redirected on this page where you will see there the Get option. Click on the Get option so that you can successfully install the eSign fill and sign form docs to your iPad and iPhone. Afterwards, open the application and then click on the next option. And then you will see there that you need to avail a premium account so that you can go ahead and access all features under the eSign. So you can go ahead and easy fill in PDF forms as well as install IPA files on your iPhone and iPad. So necessarily, you need to avail their account to enjoy.